come talk to my people. I know what you're thinking. If you've seen the title of this video, it's another dumb decision. Yes, sir, it is. Alright, if you've seen by the title of this video, you already know what I'm finna do. I'm finna do the Steph and Tasha 10 wings in 10 minutes challenge. Now, if you've been with me for a long time, then you know that when they first brought this challenge out, I failed miserably. I don't know why I torture myself. Yeah. I don't know why I came into this calm, ready to fight, didn't I? I had to wait and move the camera. I came back for a vengeance. I did it. You know, I asked Tasha, did she mind if I bring it back? She told me she didn't mind because I couldn't eat 10 wings anyway. I said, why am I friends with her? That's my big sister. That's not the point. I'm a little nervous. So let me dress this up so we can go ahead and get into this bite. Dress this something going up. The vibes is here. Vibes is here. I came prepared this time because Elizabeth Johnson, you know, if you're watching this, man, Mary Otley, if you're watching this, a lot of y'all have been with me for a long time. Prepared is the word today, and that's on period. Let's drench these wings. I actually got a strategic done. Do you hear me? Let me get a thumbnail. Yeah, I came strategic today. One wing. Oh my lord. It's okay. Yeah, damn, this is a dumb decision already. Okay, just drench your mash. I mean, if you're gonna do it, let's do it right. Okay. I failed this challenge miserably last time. You know, I was a newbie in the game. My spice level wasn't where it is now. To be honest, I don't even know what the hell my spice level is now. No, I don't. And I still think this is a stupid idea, but I'm back for redemption. I got to redeem myself. I got to. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Drench them. Drench them summer guns. Drench them. Ooh. You know. Well, y'all know damn well I don't have the smartest ideas. No, I do not. Okay. That's them. Let's do it. Yo, what it is and what it do. This is your favorite Cuzzo and I am back with another banger. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you can be notified when your favorite Cuzzo posts another video. In the intro, if you heard it, if it made it, what we are doing is the 2-time spicy 10 wings in 10 minutes revenge by Steph and Tasha. Like I said earlier, if you've been with me for a while, you know I tried this before and I failed miserably. I asked Tasha, head ass, if she minded if I bought this back. And she said I could because she know I can't even eat 10 wings. I was like, wow, it be your own friends, ain't it? So before we get into this good old bite, let's go ahead and get into this prayer. We need it. God, thank you so much once again for the food that you have prepared before my body, Lord God. As I go into this video, Lord God, you know you bred a winner and anything attached to me wins, Lord God. Let me come out of this challenge victorious, Lord God. And if I back out, I'm still a winner in your eyes at least. And I just want to say thank you. In your name I pray. Amen. This looks like, that's a good little thumbnail. You see that? Yeah. This looks like death. Okay. Damn, I gotta set my damn timer. I don't never do right. This damn show ain't gonna be no talking video. No, hell no. You know? I really want Trey and Nene to do this. Well, not you, Nene. You, Trey. Tasha, I damn sure want you to do this. KC, you. And all the lit Mukbang friends whose spice level is up. It is midnight tonight. It's midnight. It is. I know it. I'm a little tardy for the party. Let me get my little bit of it together. I'm a little tardy for the party. Recording tonight. It's not the point. What a timer. Ain't it? I'm so nervous. Damn. Alright. Okay. We're going to put 10 minutes on the clock. We're going to do it. Get my little bit of ready. Should have took my little case out, but I'm going to make it do what it do. Yeah, that's crooked, ain't it? I'm stalling. You can't even see it, ain't you? You can't see that, can you? Hell no. I don't know if you can, but it's on 10 minutes. The goal, I'm gonna set it here. Here, let me look at it because it's blurring you. The goal is to finish as quick as I can. This ain't gonna be no talking video. This is the return of the Mac. I am the Mac macaroni. But I got my chest out today. I feel good about it. My strategy is to just go in head first and knock it out the park. Let's get it. Ha! You ready? Let's go ahead and get into this stupidity and go. 10 minutes. Okay. Make good though. It's my fault. It's my jaws. My jaws hurt. My jaws. Come up no damn chicken. That leg, that looked like it came out Big Bird. It did it. Okay. We ain't got it. We ain't got it. I don't know how much time we got left. No, no. Pick it off shit, cause why am I dipping it? Why? I'm in the game. Look at these damn wings so damn dry. Girl, phone won't come on. I'm in the game. Oh yeah. We just 4 minutes in. I'm in the game. Damn wings so damn dry. I was like, wow. What you doing? You had a good day? My day was going good. Even came up here with my chest out. I did it. Sorry, come pick the bird there. Come pick the bird there. Okay. Try this extra. Heaven, please. I can't eat that little hard piece. Why do I keep dipping it? I'll tell you what. Now, we're in the game. We're in the game. But I'll tell you what. Let me eat that up. My dumb ass put some back in the sauce. I don't know who leg that came off of. I know damn well there wasn't no chicken leg. You can't drink nothing. No, you can't, Trey. Trey. I'm at your neck. I'm at it. That was a bomb. That was a bomb. Nah. I know damn well this lady ain't come out with no chicken. Couldn't have. Couldn't have. That was a hard piece. Where's the victory lap now? Where we at? 3 minutes left. Yo. Win, guy. Win, guy. Who the hell is we? You're the only idiot doing this. Win, the guy. Who is we? All right. I can't feel my eyes. I can't hear nothing. No, I can't. Okay. Got 2 food. Okay. All right. Here we are. Here we is. I know damn well I ain't gonna have the best time. No, I'm not. I'm not. But I know 8 minutes and 30 seconds. I got 2 times spicy. I'm gonna let Mike. Okay. I got a cut on my wrist. It's 2 times spicy in there too. I came, I saw, I conquered. I did it. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. I really need Tasha to do this. I do. But here's the thing in a nutshell. It's a person that I really want to challenge. If you follow this person on YouTube, can you please go tell them I said this? My time was 8 minutes in 30 seconds. And the only 2 people on YouTube I know I can beat is KC and Trey. That's it. That's it. And hell, KC, sometimes I can't even beat her. Matter of fact, I don't even think but I know I can beat Trey. This is a message for you, Trey. If you can beat my time of 8 minutes and 30 seconds, I don't know what the bet shall be. It's a bet. Drop in the comments what the bet shall be, and we're going to get somebody random to pick out what the bet shall be. Trey, if you can beat 8 minutes and 30 seconds of 2 times spicy wings, whoever got the best challenge in the comments, I will do. But if I beat your time, whoever got the best challenge in the comments, you have to do. Trey, this is for you. Let me go get some water. Hold up. Hold it. I tell you what. I got sauce everywhere, but I survived. Trey, I'm telling you now. Trey, Tasha, if you want in on this bet, just say that. But if one of y'all can beat my time, whoever can beat my time, we'll let my favorite cousins and people on y'all channel decide on what the bet shall be. Trey not gonna beat that. I give Trey 3 wings, he done. Trey already know his little sister a beast, but that's not the point. I got me some water now here. I'm thirsty. I survived though. I survived. I can't feel my phalanges. Not none of them. It's gonna be a short little conversation. Let's go ahead and get into this conversation. Happy freaking Tuesday, my love. Send a message to Trey from Trey and Nene and to Tasha that if they can beat my time, whatever y'all decide in the comments that my bet shall be, I shall do it. But if they don't beat my time, whatever y'all decide in the comments for them, they should do it. And that's on period. Because you know what? I be tired of them coming after me. I be tired. I do. And you know, I'm the youngest. Wow, they old. But I'm the youngest. And they be at my neck. So this time was revenge for me. And I finally finished the challenge that I couldn't finish about 2 years ago. Anyway, I hope this video reaches you well. I ain't got much to talk about. My mouth is on fire. I can't feel my phalanges. I can't hear with my nose. No, I cannot. At this point, I'm just all discombobulated. But hope this video reaches you well. Hope you have an amazing freaking Tuesday. Prosperity be up on all of y'all, man. I'm claiming that. I'm wishing that. In every video, I'm just wishing that up on your life. Because you know why? Because you deserve it. And another thing, too. You got to stop letting people destroy your peace in the name of family. Somebody got to tell you. Just because they your damn family don't mean they got the right or the privilege to come and ruin your peace. Oh, that's my mama, so. Oh, that's my mother-in-law, so. Oh, that's just how she is. No, if they coming to disturb your peace while they're around you, you know. And I get that you love them, but you can love people from a distance, too. Stop letting people ruin your peace in the name of family. Just because they family does not mean they should always have access to you. And you're doing stuff that you don't want to do because you love them. And I get it. I love them too. But if it ain't a hell yeah, it's a damn no. Stop allowing people to disturb your peace in the name of family. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Hell no, you shouldn't. What, girl? I can't feel nothing on my body at this point. I need my fingers. I need them. Anyway. Whew. I'm going to say that again. Stop letting people disturb your peace in the name of family because you deserve so much better. It don't matter if they're your mama, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your uncles. It don't matter. Your in-laws, who you loved last week. If they disturbing your peace, it's costing you too damn much. And oftentimes people say, well, that's just how she is. No, break generational curses. It ain't no that's how she is. It ain't no that's how she gonna be. It's time for people to start breaking generational curses. And just because your grandma and your mama did it, don't mean you have to. Because I'm telling you now, the generational curses stop with me. And that's on period. They stop with me. You got to make a decision. Just because your mama and them did it, don't mean that's how it's done. It's not. Sorry. Not sorry. Break generational curses. Because I know I'm talking with my chest. I can't feel my mouth. No, I can't. I can't feel nothing on my body. I can't feel my mouth. You know, I'm just trying to bump my gums trying to get through the video, Trey. And Tasha, I'm at your neck. It's not on you, it's in you. What's in you that can never take away. This is your favorite cousin. Hey, this is your favorite cousin. Hey, you already know this. You already know it. Do guys love it. Don't forget to drink a bit for me. This is your favorite cousin. Let's get it. Ting Curtis. Welcome to the She Show, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, child. So y'all know I've been on maternity leave. I have. In my own mind, maternity leave. But I've been on maternity leave, so I really haven't did much. I honestly would just kind of record videos. I haven't worked on none of my other businesses like Full Throttle. But today me and Angela cleaned out the garage, and whoo, we got some nice stuff on the website right now. We got some new socks, some new sock colors in. What else we got? Some new socks colors in. We got some new shorts on the way, shirts, everything, man, slides, everything fit the re-up. So I'm back full throttle on all of my business endeavors. So I'm back in the game. So if you couldn't reach me before, circle back. Circle back. I'm off maternity leave now. What? I'm a mother. I am. But I needed that break though. I needed that break to take some time, you know what I'm saying, to spend with my family, my beautiful daughter, you know, Taylor, Fanny, Angela, just kind of get some family time in before I get back to the grind, back to full throttle. So, but I'm back in this thing, cause make sure you're recharging yourself. Make sure you're recharging yourself. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna do it. I love you. Yeah. Oh, I don't know what this video about. Let's get it.